Hi, I'm Charlie Samardellis at Carroll Water Systems. I'm an analytical chemist and a master water specialist. Today we're here to talk about reverse osmosis systems. Reverse osmosis systems are critical whether you're on a well or city supply. Many people think, oh well, I'm on city water, I see my test and it all looks great. Unfortunately, by the time it gets to your home after traveling through miles of pipe, it's very, very different water. So reverse osmosis system will guarantee that you're getting rid of all of the contaminants, or most of them, depending upon what you're using for filters, to make the water healthy and safe for you to drink. It is the most critical aspect of your water in your home. Drinking water is what purifies our systems and controls our body chemistry.